Itong next device na i-feature natin is nothing less than a stick. Meron siyang malaking screen, 11.5. 120Hz of screen refresh rate. Meron siyang 4 na speaker. Meron siyang TUV Rainland na certificate. Meron siyang PC level experience. Plus, meron siyang powerful processor inside this one, which is the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1. So in this video guys, samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin kung bakit okay na okay itong Huawei MatePad 11.5. Tara, simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Bago sa lahat, pakita ko muna sa inyo ang unboxing experience nitong tablet na ito. So we have here the all-new Huawei MatePad 11.5. And together with that, we have the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation. Together with the M Pencil dock. So let's just open the box. So inside, we have the MatePad itself together with the keyboard. So let me open the keyboard first. So we have a color black keyboard over here. Let's open. So this is what it looks like. So we have a rubber stopper over here. We have the hole for the camera module. So we have a guide over here, which tells us some shortcut keys. So this is the keyboard layout, soft. So it's basically detachable. So you can only use this case, or you can use it together like this, or you can simply detach it and put it here, depending on your taste. Let's put it aside. So let's just open the dock, user guide, and the dock itself. And so this is how it looks like. So we have the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation. It has a better and premium feel, low latency. It has 4096 level of pressure sensing, transparent pen tip, and magnetic attachment and wireless charging. So we have some documentation over here, and we also have an extra pen tip. So this is how it looks like, the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation. So let's open the box. You can see the packaging is quite premium this time around. So we can see the camera module seems to have an upgrade in terms of looks. On the side, we have your volume rocker plus some microphones over here. We have your power button on top and 2 speaker grills over here. This is for the docking on the keyboard. At the bottom, we have 2 more speaker grills and USB Type-C port. Up front, we have your front-facing camera over here. Other stuffs inside, we have your Type-C cable, and we have a 22.5 watts Huawei supercharged charging brick. Now guys, nakita na natin ang unboxing experience nitong tablet na ito, and itong tablet na ito is a aluminum metal finish. And what I like dito sa kanya is quite light naman ang kanyang tablet na ito and malaki ang kanyang screen. And itong tablet ito has a very nice na display, and ang kanyang bezel is quite symmetrical, which looks good pag tinitingnan mo siya, no? Hindi mas makapal ang gilid, hindi mas makapal ang baba, pero pantay-pantay ang kanyang bezel. Itong tablet ito is being powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1, which is one of the chip na very power efficient. And gusto natin makita quickly ang kanyang benchmarking. So after natin mag-benchmarking dito sa AnTuTu benchmark was able to give me a 664,000 points, which is quite decent for a tablet. So itong tablet na ito, having 7,700 mAh of battery, can support up to 22.5 watts na Huawei Supercharge. So charging from 10 to 100 takes me nearly mga 2 hours to complete the full charging cycle. And for me, medyo okay na siya. Hindi ganun katagalan ang 2 oras para sa 7,000 plus na battery size. Okay siya. Goods na goods for me. Na itong tablet ito was able to secure me a 11 hours and 45 minutes na screen on time dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. And using itong tablet ito on a day-to-day basis, let's say, checking my social media, watching videos on YouTube, and having Zoom meeting here or Google Meet, I would say na kaya naman na magtagal ng 1 full day without a problem. As long as there's no heavy gaming dito sa tablet ito, I don't think there's any problem dito lasting you for a full day. Now, itong tablet ito has a Hisense 8.0 na quad speaker. Meaning, malakas ang kanyang speakers dito, giving you that very immersive experience when you're listening to Spotify, watching videos, or just simply chilling, playing some quick games dito sa tablet na ito. And pakinggan muna natin ang kanyang loudspeaker. Kung gaano kalakas nga ba talaga kanyang sound. Ano sa inyo guys? Lakas, di ba? Now, one of the highlights nitong tablet ito is definitely ang kanyang screen. Ang laki ng kanyang screen size, 11.5 incher. And this one has a 120 Hz of screen refresh rate, giving you the best scrolling experience ever on a tablet. Now, sinamahan pa siya ng SGS at TUV Rainland na eye protection certificate, giving you that eye protection kinakailangan mo, especially when you're gazing through the screen for long hours, like nag-online schooling ka, nag-video chatting ka, or you're having a Zoom meeting dito. Kailangan mo yung eye protection mo. And another thing na gustong-gusto ko din dito sa kanya is that it has 2.2K display resolution. So giving you the better and richer experience when you're watching videos on YouTube, on Netflix, or on your favorite na online streaming apps. So I did try to watch some videos dito sa tablet ito. I would say sobrang ganda ng resolution. I did watch some anime, some basketball games, some Korean novelas, and some K-pop videos. Ang ganda ng resolution. That's probably something that I could be proud of dito sa tablet ito. Itong tablet ito has a 13MP na rear camera. Together with it is a 8MP na front-facing camera. So I did try to take some shots on indoor condition. Normally, you don't use a tablet to take outdoor photos. So, kumuha na ako ng kunting indoor shot. And I would say na decent naman mga pictures na nakukuha na dito sa tablet na ito. And some of the shots are quite good. Quite sharp naman sa loob ng coffee shop. And I would say na medyo low light ang condition natin. But I was able to give me some of these good snaps. And ang front-facing camera, I would say na okay lang naman siya. Is it really the best na makuha mo on a tablet? And susubukan muna natin right now on a quick video dito. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Right now, I'm recording using the front-facing camera of the HUAWEI MatePad 11.5. So ayan, nakita nyo yung resolution naman niya using the front-facing camera. I could say na okay naman siya. Quite decent and it's probably a good experience when you're using it for Zoom meeting or simply mga conferencing. Now, one of the best thing din dito sa tablet na ito, it has super device. Now, I can simply connect to my phone, which is the HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and it can let me control my HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro on this tablet, the HUAWEI MatePad 11.5, which I think very versatile naman siya. And what's nice in this kanya is that you can drag and drop all your files from here to here or here to there. Very easy to navigate siya. Now, another bonus here is that you have your WPS office over here, which is giving you a PC-like experience on this tablet. Now, you can add tab here. You can select either you want a new Word document, an Excel, or a presentation. So, just simply try to open a presentation just for example purpose. Now, I can add a title over here. Let's simply say HUAWEI MatePad 11.5. There you go. It's easy as is and very, you can see all of the menu over here on top is the ones that you normally see on a PC, which is probably present here on the HUAWEI MatePad 11.5. We can also take a quick look here at Excel. You can see all the menu bar over here is exactly almost the same as the one that I see on my PC. And lastly, let's check it out on the documents. So there you can see it's a very complete setup here for the PC-like experience. Typing on here is never been greater. So let's just simply type Gadget Sidekick. So there, it's as easy as it's, and I can say the keyboard is very easy to type and probably one of the best one that I've tried so far on a tablet. So I can also open the M Pen zone for me to draw something over here, and this is especially made for the HUAWEI M Pencil. So you can open your notes like this one, just simply jot down some notes when you're listening to your teachers. So let's simply take down a note. Let's say I'm listening to my professor, and yeah, just want to simply draw something like a brand new t-shirt with a logo over here. It's just simply very easy to use and very responsive for this pen. You want to color it, you can just simply shade it over like this one. You can make it probably thicker or easier coloring over here, and it's very responsive. That's probably one of the good things here for this HUAWEI M Pencil. I can write some text over here like this, and yeah, there you go for taking some notes. Now, one of the good things that you can do here is that you can use split screen in order for you to do some multitasking. Let's say I'm checking my app gallery here at the same time I'm watching video, music video over here. it's very, very flexible and lets you do a lot of multitasking over here. Now guys, all of the app that you need is very easy to find on the Huawei app gallery. All you need to do is just go on to your app gallery and search everything that's being featured here. All of these apps are easy and free to download. So I've installed quite a couple of them, like YouTube, Netflix, Google Classroom, and Google Meet. And basically, they are all functionable. So this is YouTube, it's working fine. And this is Google Classroom, it's also working. And this one is Google Meet, and it's also working perfectly. Now, if your app gallery asks you to install this Gbox, all you need to do is just simply install, and this one would let you run all of your Google-related apps seamlessly, and it's very, very useful. Don't forget to install Gbox when it asks you to install during your installation from the Huawei app gallery. So once you have your Gbox, you can use your G Drive, your Gmail, everything Google related like YouTube and Classroom, there's no problem. Now for starters, if you want to connect your Huawei M Pencil to this tablet, all you need to do is just use this one, your dongle, connect it like this, and simply attach it to the tablet. And there, you can see it's detected. Now, I would suggest that you bring this along every time you travel for you to be able to charge your M Pencil whenever you need it. And it's very handy. Just another stick like this. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Huawei MatePad 11.5? So, after using this for quite 2 weeks na rin dito sa aking channel, I would say na very versatile siya. I mean, it's perfect for students and perfect for young professional who's just starting pa lang sumabak sa yung bagong trabaho. You having this tablet gives you the more flexibility, whether you go for online meeting, online schooling, or you can do all of your Word document or spreadsheets on this one. Especially kung hawak mo tong keyboard na ito together with the Huawei M Pencil, it's a best experience ever na mas makukuha mo on a tablet. Kasi very flexible, pwede ka kumuha ng note dito, pwede ka mag-type dito, lalo sa mga spreadsheet or Word documents. Probably, ang ganda na experience. Lalo na typing experience dito is good. Unlike yung mga ibang keyboard though from other brands, this one gives you yung comfy na feeling when you're typing for long hours on your tablet. And what's nice din dito sa kanyang pen is definitely very responsive on every single touch dito sa kanya, even if you compare it to the mga pencil ni Apple. Now guys, if you're out there in the market looking for a good tablet for entertainment, for online schooling, or just simply going back to work or joining your new workforce, itong Huawei MatePad 11.5 is probably one of my best suggestions just for you. It's very versatile and very portable just the way it is. Plus, ang kanyang big screen is another winning factor. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, of course, hit your bell icon para din miss mga future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.